Hello everyone, my name is Tom, third speaker of Jack's team. I study our team's opinion. Our team's opinion is negative of technology is more harm than good. First speaker Aaron says negative of technology is more harm than good. Aaron's reason of topic was if we get harm, we can earn more good points. For example, if our people get hurt while make technology, we can fix and get not hurt. So, we can get more safety technology. These are Aaron's opinion. And second speaker, Jack said, while make technology, we can hurt and destroy nature, but if make verification of technology, we can verification again. That's why continue to invent. When our technology get high, we can make nature the original state. These are Jack's opinion. Second speaker, Chris says, technology can make us comfortable. Once upon a time, that time was very uncomfortable to live. But now technology become very high. So we can live comfortable. For example, house become very good. High building become have elevator, and it makes this happen. Also, lately, we made robot. Robot made us more comfortable. Robot can do mission and household matters. These are Chris' opinions. Like this, there are more good than harm. Technology give us comfortable and good. If we have something harm, we can fix with technology. So, our team believes technology is more good than harm. Until now, these are our team's opinion summary. Thank you for listening to my case.